everyone. Today we're going to be reading An Elephant and Piggie, Biggie, Chapter 4 by Willems. Let's Go for a Drive by Willems. Piggie, I have a great idea. Let's go for a drive. That sounds fun. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Wait! If we are going on a drive, we need a plan. A plan? First, we need a map. I have a map. Get that map! Zip. You cannot go for a drive without a map. I have the map. Zap. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Map, map, mappy, map, map. Wait! It might be sunny while we drive. We need sunglasses. I have sunglasses. Get those sunglasses. Zip. Bringing sunglasses on a drive is smart planning. I have the sunglasses. Zap. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Sunglasses, sunglasses, sunny sunglasses. Wait! It might rain while we drive. We need umbrellas. I have umbrellas. Get those umbrellas. Zip. Make a plan and stick to it is what I say. I have the umbrellas. Zap. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Umbrellas, umbrellas, umbrellas. Wait! We have so much stuff to pack. We need bags. I have bags. Get those bags. Zip. You cannot go wrong with a good plan. Oof. I have the bags. Zip. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Bags, bags, baggy, bags. Wait! There will be a lot of driving on our drive. We need a car! I said we need a car. Do you have a car, Piggie? No. I'm a pig. A pig with a car would be silly. Do you have a car? I do not have a car. Oh no! We have everything we need for our drive. Except a car. Our plans are ruined. What are we going to do now? We could play pirate. Who needs plans when you have a pig for a pal? Arr! The end.